Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the sauerkraut marker. This guide will walk you through the exact steps needed to add this unique item to your collection. We'll cover where to start, what to look for, and how to successfully obtain it. Get ready to expand your marker collection with ease. Your journey begins by heading to the main spawn point in the game. From there, you'll need to find the large, distinctive clock tower. This tall structure is a key landmark and your primary destination for finding the sauerkraut marker. It stands out, so it should be easy to spot. Once you're inside the clock tower, you'll need to ascend to an upper level. Keep an eye out for a specific window. Through this window, you should be able to clearly see the sauerkraut marker. It's cleverly placed inside a small fridge, waiting for you to claim it. To finally get your hands on the sauerkraut marker, simply move towards the fridge you spotted. Interact with it, and the marker will be added to your inventory. Congratulations, you've successfully found it. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.